This is Eric Mwatha with Mwatha.com. In this Rethink video, we're going to take a look at how investors go through the process of finding quality stocks. Now, I do know for a fact, since I've been in the business for a long time, that most investors will spend most of their time trying to find a stock, a good stock, or maybe a series of good stocks. And then maybe they'll think about the sector, if they do, and maybe they'll even consider what the market is doing after that. So 3 levels here. But instead of spending most of your time looking for the best stock, the best thing to do, quite frankly, is to begin by figuring out, one, what the market is doing. What's the market doing? Because this is the one that really is going to dictate where stocks are going. 75% of a stock's move is based on the general market direction. And then number 2, you do want to know for sure what sector. What sectors are leading the market? What sectors have been leading the market? And what stocks within the sector are doing better than the rest of the stocks? So the leadership stocks within the best sectors in the market. And then after that, then you can go to your third level, which is the stock itself. Okay, but I guarantee you, if you can find out this level here, the market is pretty difficult to figure out where it's going for the most part. It's never easy, but if there's a trend in the market, up or down. But the one thing you can know for sure is which sectors are leading the market. And in this example, we're going to take a look at the Airline Index over the last 3, 4, 5 months, what it's done. This is now a 1-year representation of the best performing stocks in the market, the top 10 best performing sectors. You see that the Airline Index comes in at number 3. If we take a look at the performance in the 6 months past of the best sectors, we see that the Airline Index now is number 1. Now, over the last 3 months in the current market, you see that the Airline Index again still remains number 1. So before you go finding any other stock, you have to find out whether there are fresh stocks about to break out in the Airline Index. And let me take you to the charts now. And what we see when we look at the charts is that over the last 6 months or so, the Airline Index broke out of that range, or you can even say it broke out of this range here. In any event, there was a breakout in price, and over the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months, this has been the area in the market in which investors needed to pay a lot of attention, because there was a lot of, let's call it easy money, even though it's not. If you take a look at the Airline Index from a weekly chart, then you see that we had this what seems like a cup, a handle here, and a breakout above this level here. So let's say since December, the market has been pushing airline stock higher, and then there was another consolidation here. After making that high, it settled for a couple of weeks, and then the Airline Index over the last 3 weeks has been again on a breakout mode. So again, they broke out. So the fact that they were already in the leadership sector in the market should have forced any momentum trader to put a lot of interest in that area. And so what you do is go find stocks that are breaking out. And I'm going to show you some of the airline stocks that have done well over the last 3, 4 months. And let's take a look here at Delta. You see Delta broke out since making that high here. It broke out there. Also, if you play trend break, you see that the trend break came somewhere here. So your entry was either here or somewhere around here. Another example here is for JetBlue. As you can see, over the last couple of months, it's also been moving higher. You're not losing money by owning the best sector in the market. Another example here, US Airways. Again, it's been also since this December breakout here, it's been moving steadily higher. Another example, SkyWest. Again, it's had almost since middle of 2012, straight move to the upside. Those are huge gains. Another one, a low priced AAMRQ. It too has moved from way under 5 cents and now trading at about 4.50. That's a mega move. Last but not least, here's another one here, Republic Airlines. Since this breakout here, since that base, after basing here, it blasted out of that range of about 5.70 and now trading even as high as $12. Really what I'm saying here is, at the end of the day, the stocks moved not because there's really anything spectacular about the stocks themselves. It's because that's where smart money has been hunting for opportunity. This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. I hope you enjoyed the video. Good luck. I shall be back. Peace and blessings.